Welcome to the PeoplePlus HR and Payroll Systems overview. The purpose of the overview is to give you a broader understanding of the functionality and modules that are available to you. Once you have logged into the system, you will see the welcome page. The screen in your current view has three navigation buttons. The first button is Import Employee Data, for bulk employee data import. The other two are Employee Edit and Update and User Guides. In the left-hand window, you will see the Add an Employee icon. Add an Employee allows you to manually capture individual employee details. At a glance, you will be able to view handy information such as public holidays, employees on leave, employees going on leave, as well as current and up-and-coming birthdays for your employees. The pie charts below will indicate company percentages for gender, primary languages, ethnic groups, and remuneration types at a glance. This view is only available to you as the administrator of the system and will not be seen by the staff using self-service. At the top of the page are tabs for you to select to view company information, such as company details, employee statistics, employee and company organograms. In the left-hand window, you will find the employee module selection menu. Here you will be able to view active, unresolved, and terminated employees. In order to do an employee search type in either the name, surname, or ID number into the text box provided. In order to view the employee reporting structure, click on the plus sign to expand the employee view. By continuing to click on the plus signs, you will be able to expand the full reporting structure. To view all employees ranked by employee numbers, click on the empty search bar and use the scroll bar to locate the employee. You can also expand the view by clicking on the arrow to hide the menu structure for a larger view. Simply click the arrow to reactivate the menu structure. Next to the search bar, you have the option to search alphabetically as well as to customize your required search result by using preferences. Below the Employee Module Selection menu, you will see the Module Menu Navigation tabs. Here you will be able to access modules in order to capture and configure the system to your individual requirements. The first will be the Employees tab. When you want to return to the employees, you just click on the Employees tab to return to the employee display or homepage. The Setup tab will open once you have selected it and allow you to navigate back to the organizational information, configuration and setting up of the system, and job title library for you to maintain and update when the need arises. Most of the system setup will be done under the Configuration under the Setup tab. However, we have added the Payroll and Learning tabs for ease of use and access, as they are frequently used on a day-to-day basis. In order to close the tab, click on it to close. Select the Payroll tab to access the Payroll module. You are able to set up multiple payroll companies within your organization. Add a company. When you click on this, you can create a new payroll company in which you set up all your relevant company information, such as company tax, UIF, SDL, and VAT registration numbers. The setup for the various types of payroll is done here. For example, weekly, fortnightly, and monthly, as well as its relevant calendars. Company setup. Here you can change the demographic details for the company created or a current payroll. You cannot change the payroll type. Field allocation. On this selection, you have fields for income, deductions, benefits, company contributions, and other. By selecting any of the fields within the drop-down boxes, you can allocate transaction fields permanently or temporarily to all or only selected employees for that period, which you'll be able to edit in the update process. Backups. Here you can create manual backups of your payroll by clicking on Create Backup. Update process. When this is selected, you can edit the transactions previously created by the field allocation function. You can also create import files, such as hours or any value pertaining to payroll, and then re-import the changed values for calculation. The final process and rolling over to a new pay period also takes place here. Reports. Standard system reports are found here, with an additional functionality if purchased, which is a built-in report writer. The Learning button. This is where you'll capture your learning providers, contacts, learning programs, and also where you'll schedule up-and-coming events for employees to apply for training, or where administrators can add employees for training. Reports. This will take you directly to the reporting module. The reporting module has various standard reports but also provides functionality to allow the user to create unlimited customized reports. The reporting module also comes with legislative reports such as employment equity reports. All reports, once generated, can be printed directly from the system as well as exported to Excel for further manipulation. The document library comes with approximately 80 ready-to-use policies, procedures, contracts of employment, as well as user guides on how to conduct disciplinary and grievance procedures. The document manager acts as your electronic filing system, and you have the flexibility to create multiple document categories with various viewing privileges, which means that employees can only see those documents applicable to them. The My Services tab allows you to activate and deactivate functionality within the system as and when you require these modules. For the next section, I'd like to return to the employees by selecting the Employee tab. When you select the employee by clicking on the employee's name, the employee's profile will open in the right-hand window, displaying the employee's personal information. At the top of the page, you'll see tabs for selection. All of these tabs pertain to the respective employee on the page. The first tab is Tasks. This is a dashboard where all of the employee's tasks and workflows can be managed in the system. The second drop-down tab is Employee Information. This is where additional information about the employee can be recorded and managed. The system has a built-in performance appraisal module, which allows you to configure key performance areas based on the business needs, create your own measures, and track performance. Once you have set up the individual performance appraisal, the system will automatically create a performance contract which can be printed for signing by the employee. Performance appraisals can be conducted as and when required, depending on your company's requirements. The Training tab is linked to the Learner Management module and allows employees to apply for training, which automatically links to your workplace skills plan. The Leave module is highly configurable and caters for multiple annual and general leave types. The leave management system is rules-based and automates the whole leave management process. We have come to the end of the overview for the PeoplePlus HR and Payroll system. Thank you for joining us.